All right, today is Wednesday. We're going to start with our rhyming. Today, our students' names. So it might be kind of tough. Just do the best you can, okay? So I'm going to say Zami, and you're going to say not Zami, Tommy. Let's try Tommy, okay? These are tough. I don't expect you to know them. If you don't know, just wait and say it with me, okay? So pourin', not pourin', Lauren. And the last one, Vark, not Vark, Mark. I gave you a little hint because my lips were ready for Mark. Okay, that's it for that. Onset fluency. Remember, onset means beginning sounds. Bumblebees by Bubbles. What do all those start with? Buh. Good. Fred found 5 fat frogs. What does all that start with? Good. Vanessa's van is violet. V. All right. Hank hears Helen's hello. Noel nabs 9 noodles. Good. Okay. Blending onset with rhyme. Okay, onset's our beginning sound. Rhyme is what's left. So we're going to do that today. Well. Ink, sink. Jug, jug. Lock. Ink, bank. Eel, feel. Boot, boot. Good. Okay, final sounds. Rub, knob. I hope you said B. Sap, hope. P. Save, hive. They both end with V. Good. Bat, late. T. Can, phone. Cage, stage. J. Very good. Segmenting, get those choppers out. We're going to break it up into the onset, or the beginning sound, and the rhyme, what's left. Band. And then I will say it. And. If you didn't get it, just do it with me. Mink. Ink. Soup. Oop. Long. On. Good. Must. Ust. Okay, we're gonna add a beginning sound, okay? We're starting with ugh. Add h at the beginning. H, ugh, hug. Good. Add t at the beginning. T, tub. Add b at the beginning. Bump. Unch, add o at the beginning. Unch, lunch, yum. Okay, now we're going to delete a beginning sound. We're going to take that onset, that beginning sound away. Job without j, what's left? Ob. Talk without t, what's left? Ock. Cop without k, what's left? Op. Pond without P, what's left? On. Mom without M, what's left? Good job, almost done. Okay, substituting, remember that's when I take a beginning sound away, put a new beginning sound in. Today we're going to start with cat. Take away K and put in B. Now what do you have? At, bat. Good. Now we have bat. Take away B and put in H. What do you have? At, hat. Take away H, put in S. Sat. Take away S, put in P. Pat. All of these rhyme too. Take away P, put in Rat. All right, good job. Count our words in our sentence. I love playing outside. I'm going to let you count. Okay, we'll do it together. I love playing outside. Outside is one word, so that's 4. They try to trick you, make you think there's going to be 2 words, but it's really 1. The butterfly is beautiful. The butterfly is beautiful. 4 again. Okay, let's try one more. The farmhouse has many animals. Okay, hopefully you counted it by yourself. Well, let's count it together. The farmhouse has many animals. It's okay to go slow. I hope you got 5. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.